Hey, I'm Josh Ariza. I'm a graphic designer with over 16 years of experience. I've worked with brands of all types. I worked for Nike, Under Armour, Taco Bell, Stance Socks, Star Wars, and some other brands you may have heard of. Also, I run my own brand. It's called Chomp. And to date, we sold over 1 million garments. And I want to teach you how to do the exact same thing. In this dribble workshop, we'll cover naming your company. What's the logo? What do we do with that? Then we'll cover concepting and designing your own ideas. How do we manufacture those ideas? And later in the afternoon, we'll cover licensing agreements, wholesaling, and direct-to-consumer business. I have knowledge about all that stuff, and you can ask me 1 million questions. You've always wanted to start your own thing. You have the ideas, you have the passion, you have the talent. You just don't really know where to start. Let me save you the time. I've made all the mistakes you will make and probably many, many more. If you find this interesting, I encourage you to sign up. It'll be a full day of learning. We'll have a great time. Click the link below.